Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to reverse a number in Python. So first, we are going to define a function. I will name it. First, we are going to type def, then rev number, and this will take number. And we are going to use a string function to convert the number to a string. So over here, first I'm going to use a string, and we are going to pass in our number. And we are going to use a slice notation to reverse it. And first we are going to use a slice notation to reverse the number. And then we are going to use the strings method replace to remove the sign if the number has any sign. So this will be replace the negative sign with the empty. And we are going to use float to convert the result to a number. So we are going to surround it with the float function. And convert the result to a number and use a math copy sign method to copy the original sign. This might be our num. And we are going to pass into copy sign. And from this way, the copy sign. I need to import copy sign from math import copy sign, and we are going to return the result, and we are going to test our function. Our reverse number, and we are going to pass in 3 to 1, and we are also going to print the result. The reverse number, and I will just kind of copy this one. This would be our -4, 5, 6. And print. $75.6 pass into our function rev number, Let's run our code and check the output. And we get those numbers in reverse. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as same code and like my video. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.